We scored these Disney mystery figures from Miniso, and we have no idea what's inside. Join us today as we unbox the magic.
Hi guys, we are Forrest and Anchor. I am Tyrone.
And I'm Amy.
And this is a vlog channel. We do pop culture stuff as well. As you can see today, we've got some unboxings of some mystery items from Miniso.
Miniso. In Doncaster.
Alright, kicking into it, we have the Fun Crash. It's like a Mickey Mouse spiky ball. You got this Sweet Pea Mickey, Original Taste Mickey, the Sailor Mickey, Sleepy Mickey, Crazy Mickey, Heart Mickey, Graffiti Mickey, and Wealthy Mickey. So I don't really know, which one would you want to get, you reckon?
I would want to get Wealthy Mickey, I reckon.
Wealthy.
Or maybe that one, the original.
I'm hoping for Steamboat Mickey.
Yeah.
I'd really go for.
Yeah.
So let's open this thing
Let's
up.
see.
How do you open it?
The top. The top.
No, there we go. Here.
And you got a Lafufu.
Oh! Jing-a-ding-ding.
What vibes are you feeling in there? Don't look at the card. No.
Why not? It's not going to tell me what it is.
I'm pretty sure it does.
It is a surprise. Miniso Disney Fun Crash. It is one of these guys. See that down there? What does he feel like? Feels like Mickey Mouse.
A rounded version.
Rounded version of Mickey Mouse. And
Do we need scissors?
there we go. We found it.
Your favourite one.
Oh, it's a it's a girl.
That's cute as. I love that one.
Oh, I guess Zelda can have that. She'd love that. Probably.
She would love that. That's really
Pretty
cute.
cool. Hello there, kids. Did it give it away? It kind of might have.
I'm pretty sure the cards are meant to tell you who you've got. Yeah. So I said don't look at the card.
Heart Mickey. So they will tell you who it is in the box. Just don't look in there. Mystery not solved.
Is it squishy or is it like firm?
It's squishy. And you got a little hanger.
That's cute.
Little Mickey hanger. Hanging off a bag. Whatever.
So the next one we got was the Donald Duck 90. So I'm assuming 90th anniversary of Donald Duck. Another blind unboxing. Who do we think we're gonna get, guys?
Can you read that out, or the Mandarin for us, please, Anne?
So we have the, we've got bathtub. It looks like we've got, he's reading a map. Balloons, birthday maybe? Angry Donald.
Angry Donald.
Looks like maybe a happy Donald. And going down the slide. I'm hoping for bathtub, to be honest.
I want Angry Donald.
Angry Donald? Okay. Who do we think we're gonna get? Let's go. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to open it like a milk carton.
If you're opening the milk like that, I'm going to be pretty angry.
Oh, we got Slide Donalds. Okay, let's see. That's pretty cool.
That's all we got, guys. Just a
That's
slide.
it, just a slide. It's kind of annoying that you have the slide in here because then it's more suspenseful, but anyway. Oh, he is super cute.
That's cool.
That is so cute.
Yeah, we'll put him up behind the bar somewhere.
He's got kind of like a furry, fuzzy kind of feeling. Yeah. He's like nice and heavy. He's winking. He's cute as.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's awesome. And what is in here? Yay!
Up next, we got the party animal Stitch figures. Looks like we've got the naughty cat, the hugging panda, the goodnight koala, some secret pink panda one.
Oh,
We got the baby pig. We got the childish sheep, and the sweet bunny.
I either want the baby pig or the secret.
Yeah, I'll go for the cat or either a top three.
The secret that's not quite secret.
All right, we won't be looking in the box this time because they do give it away.
They do.
So opening it up, just gonna feel for a packet, not actually look in there. Put it to the side. What have we got? Oh, pink one.
Well, that's cute. Another one that Zelda would love.
Bunny. Little pink bunny.
She looks like she's got a bit of texture on her too.
She does have a bit of texture on her. Just remember to like and subscribe, guys. So there we have our unboxing from our Miniso mystery figure collection. We got Donald, Pink Mickey, and
Angel.
Angel. So that's our mystery box unboxing for this week, for this month. If you like these videos, let us know down in that comment section down below. If you'd like us to do more of these, let us know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the like button. We've got competitions coming up. We've got a lot more vlogs. We're actually going to get out there going. We've got some cruises coming up. We've got we got a light train coming up on Monday, which will be fun. So until next week, when you see us on a train that is 100 and
100 something
something
years old, yeah.
yeah.